Hello everyone, new day and new challenge. Let's see what is today's question. Okay, it's medium, 73% acceptance. Answers that communicate. You have the map of server center presented as a game matrix. Where one means that on the cell there is a server, and 0 means that there is no server. Okay, two servers are said to communicate if they are on the same row or on the same column. Return the number of servers that communicate with any other servers. Okay, 3. Okay. So it will be at least m times n in terms of complexity, because we have to visit each server to check, to visit each cell of the matrix to check if there is server or not. So the question only is how to check if this server is communicating with someone. So naive approach is to check all lines first and then all rows first and then all columns. But we also have to be sure that we don't count each server twice. So if there is a grid of 9 servers, each of them will be communicating with each other, but we will count them twice, one in a column and one in a row. So we have to mark somehow scene servers. Okay, for example, we can store indexes of servers in some list, for example. So we will go through row, we will put indexes of the servers, and if the length of the list will be more than 1, that means that there is a servers which communicates with each other and we have their indexes. We will go through rows first, then through columns, and we will have the indices of the servers. So for example, that will be a map of integer to list of integer, so row and indexes in this row. Map equals new hash map, and should be like that. And what do we have to return? Integer. So int result will be 0 for now. So we will go through we will go through indexes for int I equals 0, I is less than grid length plus outer side outer loop and inner loop for int j equals 0, j is less than grid 0, length j plus plus. So we will go through this loop and list integer. We can do like set integer set equals map get or default I. Default will be new hash hash set. And we will put it here. And if grid ij equals what, 1, is this error? Yes, if it's 1, set I think add j. Right. So we will have rows and indexes in this row, and put s. Okay, we have set. So 2 months. One for rows and one for columns. Same as previous. It will be slow again. Okay, let's do like that. It will be pair to pair to integer, and we will go through array and we will put elements in this should have equals a hash code. Okay, let's do like that. We will go through grid, and if grid is int count equals 0, so count, not count, integer equals new array list. List and index. The index here. And here for int I in list, we will set read int in list, we will set great I element, we will increment it. So we will mark this server as active and we'll go to the next iteration. This way we will mark all connected servers in the row. If L size greater than 1, then we will go same way, column by column, this class. So okay. Grid length here and grid length here. We will swap J and I. Element I should be J. So this way we will go through columns. We will mark element in the column. Yes, and if grid size is greater than 1, we will mark it again, increment element. And now int result will be equals to 0. Return result, and we will go one more time through array, and this one we don't need this one. If grid ij is greater than 1, we will increment result. Looks fantastic. And wrong answer. Okay, output 3, expected 4. This is the third case. So we are going, so 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, let's check this case. We are going through grid I and J. So ij equals 1. We will add it. 0 0 is 1. 0 1 is 1. We are adding and because it should be j, not I, and here it should be I, right? So we are adding j here, and we are checking it is, we're incrementing elements, then we're going here, we're putting it here is 1, 2, and this is one element, and here will be 2, 2, it's also one element, and here it will be 3, 3, also one element. Then we're going to the next cycle, it will be 0, 1, 0, 0, so we are adding here 0, and there is one element, we are not marking this. We're going to the next element, it will be 1, 0, we will add 0 here, and 1, 0, yes. So first we will check here, we are setting I to be the column, so it will go like that. And j will be the grid. This one, I think. Again, wrong answer. Again, this case. Well, here it should be also j, right? Yes. Yes. And what about performance? So it is good, but not the best solution. I think same as yesterday. But yeah, I will finish this session. See you tomorrow.